Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize the way you cook. We're talking about the Vermicular Musui-Kamado, a cast iron induction cooker designed for waterless cooking with precision temperature control. If you're someone who appreciates nuanced flavors, incredible textures, and the art of cooking, then stick around, because this might just be the culinary workhorse you've been searching for. Right off the bat, the Vermicular Musui-Kamado isn't just another appliance, it's a statement piece. It combines the timeless appeal of cast iron with cutting-edge induction technology, and its core promise is unmatched flavor and precision. The key here is Vermicular's signature waterless cooking. This isn't about simply simmering ingredients, it's about drawing out the pure, natural essence of your food through expertly controlled heat and an almost impossibly tight seal. They claim this method enhances depth, clarity, and texture in every single dish, whether you're steam roasting, cooking rice, or even attempting sous vide. Let's talk about that seal. The Musui pot boasts a hand-machined, 0.01 mm precision seal. Think about that for a moment. This isn't just a loose lid fitting, this is an airtight lock, meticulously crafted in Japan. This precision engineering is what allows the cooker to trap all the moisture and nutrients within the pot. Imagine, no more precious essences evaporating into the air. Instead, they're concentrated, enriching your food in a way that's difficult to achieve with conventional methods. This airtightness is fundamental to the waterless cooking concept, preventing evaporation and creating a self-basting environment. The heating technology is equally impressive. The Kamado utilizes three-dimensional induction heating. This means it's not just heating from the base, but also from the sidewalls. This creates a uniform, all-encompassing heat distribution, much like the revered traditional Japanese Kamado stove. This consistent and even cooking is crucial for delicate dishes and for ensuring that every part of your food is cooked perfectly, without hot spots or uneven browning. It's this combination of the precise seal and the advanced heating that elevates the Musui-Kamado beyond a simple cooker. And the versatility, oh, the versatility. This isn't a one-trick pony. The Vermicular Musui-Kamado is a true multi-cooker for everyday use. You can effortlessly switch between its various modes. We've already touched on Musui waterless cooking, but it also excels at searing, steam roasting, braising, stewing, stir-frying, baking, sous vide, and fermentation. Plus, there's a dedicated rice cooking mode. For a single appliance, this is an incredible range of functions, and the claim is that it replaces multiple appliances with superior results. Think about consolidating your kitchen counter space while simultaneously upgrading the quality of your output. The set itself is quite premium. You get the Musui 3.9-quart enameled cast iron pot, which is oven-safe up to a remarkable 570 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all stovetops, which is a huge plus. The Kamado induction base, of course, is the heart of the operation. But they don't stop there. It also includes a hardcover cookbook filled with over 70 original recipes, 2 measuring cups, and a handy cast iron lid stand. This attention to detail and the inclusion of useful accessories really round out the premium experience. Now, let's talk about what makes this stand out, and where the real magic happens. Waterless cooking is the star of the show. When you cook without adding water, especially with something like vegetables, you retain all their natural sugars and nutrients. This results in an intensified flavor profile that's often described as pure and vibrant. Imagine roasted vegetables that taste intensely of themselves, or a stew where the broth is naturally rich and flavorful from the ingredients themselves, not from added water or stock. This technique is especially effective for tender meats and delicate fish, where preserving moisture is paramount to achieving a perfect texture. The precision temperature control is the other half of this equation. Being able to dial in exact temperatures, and having the cooker maintain them consistently, allows for a level of control that even experienced home cooks often struggle with. This is particularly beneficial for techniques like sous vide, where precise temperature is non-negotiable, or for baking, where consistency is key. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of cooking, allowing you to focus on the ingredients and the overall culinary experience. The three-dimensional heating system is another element worth highlighting. Traditional induction cooktops often have a concentrated heat source at the base. This sidewall heating, combined with the base, means that heat surrounds your food more evenly. This leads to more uniform browning on seared items and more consistent cooking throughout, eliminating those annoying cold spots or overcooked edges. It's a more holistic approach to heating, and it's something you can really feel in the results, especially in larger cuts of meat or when baking. Now, let's consider the pros and cons. On the pro side, the flavor enhancement through waterless cooking is undeniable. The precision in cooking, thanks to the temperature control and the airtight seal, is a massive advantage. The versatility as a multi-cooker is impressive, potentially saving you space and money. The build quality is exceptional, with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship. And the inclusion of accessories like the cookbook makes it a complete package. However, it's not without its considerations. The upfront cost for an appliance like this is likely to be a significant investment. While it promises to replace multiple appliances, the initial outlay is substantial. Secondly, while it is versatile, mastering waterless cooking and precision temperature control might require a learning curve. You'll need to adapt your cooking styles and perhaps experiment a bit to get the most out of it. Finally, the 3.9-quart capacity, while substantial for many meals, might be on the smaller side for very large families or for bulk cooking. In conclusion, the Vermicular Musui-Kamado is a premium culinary tool that offers a unique and elevated cooking experience. If you're passionate about flavor, texture, and the art of precision cooking, and you're willing to invest in a high-quality appliance, then this cooker could truly transform your kitchen. It's more than just a cooker, it's an investment in better tasting, healthier, and more artfully prepared food. It represents a fusion of traditional craftsmanship and modern innovation, designed to bring out the very best in your ingredients. Link in the description.